Too often, businesses struggle with outdated benefits technology that creates more headaches than solutions. Imagine your payroll lead scrambling to reconcile last-minute insurance changes across 5 different systems, while employees line up with urgent questions. This isn't just an HR problem, it's a roadblock to retention, morale, and productivity. In fact, employees are 230% more engaged in their jobs when they have technology that truly supports them. As David Gracie, founder and president at Network One Consulting, puts it, smart benefits technology grows trust between staff and leadership by making critical support seamless and reliable. The right tools transform the way your team works. No more toggling between spreadsheets and emails or losing time to manual processes. When you implement benefits technology that fits your business, productivity rises, decisions come faster, and collaboration happens smoothly, even across remote teams. Automation and analytics cut busy work, while flexible systems let you attract and retain top talent. Upskilling becomes scalable, and onboarding is quick and clear. But technology isn't just about speed. It's about building an environment where your people can focus on real outcomes, not fixing errors or chasing lost information. Real-time analytics, automated workflows, and scalable solutions keep you ahead, while regular IT reviews and feedback loops ensure your systems stay sharp. If you're ready to cut the friction and build a workplace that actually works for your people, read the full article on our website. And don't forget to add us to your playlist.